In 2026, it still feels wild that OneNote remains the most reliable cross-platform option for handwriting notes. Plenty of apps try to stretch beyond Apple, but you often run into compromises: web-only access, missing features, messy syncing, or notes that take forever to appear. OneNote avoids all of that. If you want to handwrite on your iPad and then open the same notes on Android or Windows without drama, this is the app to get comfortable with. Sure, other apps claim cross-platform support, but for many of them, the real-world experience on non-Apple devices feels theoretical at best. With OneNote, it isn't theory. You can use it across iPad, iPhone, Android, Windows, and the web. And it actually holds up. It syncs, your notes show up, and you don't deal with the constant "why didn't it update" stress that comes with most apps once you step outside of the Apple ecosystem.